Oh, have you tried this? This is so good. Cotton candy? I hear it's organic too. Take 6 already? Ooh. Okay. I've always worked in the marketing capacity. And you know what I discovered? That every product has a secret weapon, and it's their supply chain. A few years back, I launched ice cream brands and sent products all over the world. You see, ice cream is super perishable. It has to stay frozen every minute from when it leaves the factory, travels across international borders, and gets stored in warehouses along the way, and still maintain the highest quality standards that customers expect. Working in Southeast Asia was an even bigger challenge. When it gets hot there, it gets really hot. And that's when people want ice cream the most. And that last mile delivery could be on anything from a bangka in the Philippines to a tuk-tuk in Thailand. Plus, companies have to be aware and responsive to market dynamics. Shipping schedules have to align precisely. We have to consider environmental and human impacts of a product, sourcing sustainable materials for manufacturing, efficiently routing trucks in transportation, using renewable and clean energy to run factories. We have a big role to play across the entire supply chain spectrum. For these types of consumer products, what you need is a responsive system that can literally handle anything, or things can get out of control. If it's melted, I don't even want to think about that. Thankfully, with Oracle Cloud Logistics, we help companies take care of this kind of stuff all the time. You can track ice cream inside warehouses, on ships and trucks, and across borders. It's all connected. And if something goes wrong, you're alerted, it can reset and stay on track. Listen, stuff happens. Ice cream is messy, and it gives me an amazing sense of fulfillment and purpose in my role. It's all about delivering pure joy. I can't think of a better mission than that.